LeetCode weighted word mapping. So we are given an array of string with the name words, where each string represent a word containing lowercase English characters. Now we are also given an array called weights that represent the weight of the ith lowercase character. For example, we have got weights over here. So the weight of A is 5, B is 3, C is 12, D is 14, and so on up till Z. Okay. The weight of a word is defined as the sum of weights of its characters. So, for example, if we need to find the weight of A, B, C, D, we find the weight of A, sum it with the weight of B, similarly, sum it with the weight of C, and sum it again with the weight of D. This addition over here gives me the weight of the string A, B, C, D. Okay. Now it is asking me for each word take its weight modulo 26. So when I get this sum, I need to do modulus of 26 since this number can be this number can be larger than 26. Now I need to map the results to lowercase English letters using reverse alphabetical order. So there should be another map. So let the name of the map be M. Okay. So over here, let my map be of type integer, comma character, where the key and this is the value. The key is an integer and my value is character ch. Okay. So if my integer is 0, my value is z. If this is 1, 2, 3, this is y, x, and so on. If this is 25, this turns out to be a. Okay. Now I need to return the string formed by concatenating the mapped characters. So over here we have got A, B, C, D as my string at index number 0. Okay. Now I find the weight of A, weight of B, weight of C plus weight of D, which turns out to be 5, 3, 12, 14. 5 plus 3 plus 12 plus 14. This turns out to be 34. Now I have to take the mod of this with 26. Okay. So this is my sum. When I do the mod of this with 24, I get 8. Okay. Now I need to go to the map and check what is 8 mapped to. Okay. So I have got 0, 1, 2, 3. Somewhere 8 over here would be there, and there will be some character ch corresponding to this. So I need to return ch. Okay. Let this be ch1. So I've got ch1, and when I move to another word, I would get ch2. Similarly, when I move to another word, I would get ch3, and so on. So I need to return this string as my answer. Okay. I will code. So over here I'll create a string called answer. Okay. This will store the final result. Then I create a mutable map. This is known as hash map. So it will have the key as type int and the value as type character. So I do hash map new. Okay. Now I create a iterator I which is initialized to 0. So for my character that belongs to from A up till Z. Okay. So I take this in the reverse order, since corresponding to corresponding to 0 I have Z. So I do m dot insert my corresponding to I have character ch. So this stores mapping, that is 0 to z, 1 to y, 25 to a. Then I increment I. Okay, move to the next key. So after coming out of loop, I do for word that belongs to words, that is process each word in the input. I create a sum called 0, that is stores the total weight of the current word. Now for character, each character we iterate. So for character ch that belong to word dot characters, that is iterate through each character in the word. We do sum is equal to, we find the weight, that is convert character to index. So over here we will do character as u8, that's a data type, and we take the byte literal of it. Okay, so I convert the character to index, that is for a is equal to 0, for a this will give me 0, for b this will give me 1, and for z this will give me 24, and then I find the weight of it. So after coming from this loop, I need to push this into my answer. So I get the string corresponding to this. That first I'll compute the sum with mod of 26 and then find the mapped letter. Okay, so I will do the sum. I'll take the mod of this with 26. Okay, and then over here unwrap and insert it. Okay, after coming out I would submit a return answer. So let me see what's the error in. For cs that belongs to a, this won't be double equal to, so it iterates from z to a. So over here we got a mutable variable called m, so that uses hash map. So we need to over here import hash map. So I use standard collections, this will be hash map. Okay, let me submit this. Some error again over here. So this shouldn't be int, this should be i32. Now over here my sum plus equal to, this would be weights, sorry, let's see if it passes all. Indeed